Dear students and friends, I am Punala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad. 10th class quadratic equations. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. Reference is here. Here we have 5 sums. Number 1, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. That is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then this is a, this is b. A square is x whole square plus 2, formula 2, into a is x and b is 1 plus b square is 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x 2x plus into minus minus 2 3 is 6. X whole square is equal to x square plus 2 into 1 into x 2x plus 1 whole square is 1 plus 2x becomes minus 2x after coming to the left hand side, and minus 6 becomes plus 6 is equal to 0. Plus 2x minus 2x are cancelled. X square plus 1 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is 1x square, that is ax square, plus bx is nothing but 0 into x here, plus c is 7 equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Here we have one more sum. 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus y into x minus 1. 2x into x minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x into x minus 1 plus 5 into x minus 1. Now 2x into x, 2x square, plus into minus minus, 2 3 is 6, 6x, minus 1 into x minus x, minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. That is equal to x into x, x square, x into minus 1 minus x, plus 5 into x, 5x, plus 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Now we have 2x square and minus 6x minus x. Same signs, addition, same sign. That becomes minus 7x plus 3 is equal to x square minus 5x plus 5x. Different signs, subtraction, bigger number sign. That becomes plus 4x minus 5. Now this is 2x square minus 7x plus 3, and this plus x square becomes minus x square, plus 4x becomes minus 4x, minus 5 becomes plus 5 after coming to the left hand side. That is equal to 0. Now 2x square minus x square is x square, minus 7x minus 4x. Same signs, addition, same sign. So minus 11x plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is 1, b is minus 11 and c is 8, where a is not equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. This is as it is. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. That is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. X whole square minus formula 2 into x into 2 plus 2 whole square. This one as it is. X whole square is x square minus 2 into 2, 4x plus 2 square is 4. X square plus 3x plus 1 plus x square becomes minus x square, minus 4x becomes plus 4x, plus 4 becomes minus 4 after coming to the left hand side is equal to 0. Now x square cancelled, 3x plus 4x, 7x, plus 1 minus 4, different signs, subtraction, bigger number sign, minus 3 equal to 0. Here we don't have x square term. It is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation, this one, is not a quadratic equation. Here we have one more sum. x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. This is in the form of a plus b whole cube. That is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is a, this is b. Now x whole cube plus formula 3 and x whole square into b is 2 plus this 3 and a is x into b square is nothing but 2 whole square plus b cube is nothing but 2 whole cube. That is equal to 2x into x square 2x cube plus into minus minus 2x into 1 2x. X whole cube is x cube plus 3 2 is 6, 6 into x square plus 3x into 2 square is 4 plus 2 cube is 8. That is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. Now x cube plus 6x square plus 3 4 is 12x plus 8 minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0. Now x cube minus 2x cube, different sign, subtraction, bigger number sign, minus x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 2x plus 14x plus 8 equal to 0. Multiply by minus, this becomes plus x cube plus 6x square becomes minus 6x square plus 14x becomes minus 14x plus 8 becomes minus 8 equal to 0. So it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Here we have x cube also. So the given equation is, this one is not a quadratic equation. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. This one as it is. This is in the form of a minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So x whole cube minus formula 3 and a square is x whole square and b is only 2, we should not write minus 2, plus 3 and a is x and b square is 2 whole square and this minus is here and b cube is 2 whole cube. This one as it is, x cube is x cube minus 3 into 2 6 x square plus into plus into plus plus, this is 2 square 4 into 3 12x minus 2 cube is 8. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 and bring all these to the left hand side, plus x cube becomes minus x cube, minus 6x square becomes plus 6x square, plus 12x becomes minus 12x, minus 8 becomes plus 8 equal to 0. These two are cancelled. Now minus 4x square plus 6x square is 2x square, minus x minus 12x minus 13x plus 1 plus 8 plus 9 equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation.